So I'm going to have my 4, I'm going to do x to the 5th times x. Okay, so I just undid this property here. Okay, so whenever you have a 5th root of an x to the 5th, then I can take an x out. I still have that 5th root. I still have my 4 and my x to the 1 power inside. But now I'm able to make a match here with this one. Nope, this one right here. That's exactly the same as mine, but this one is missing the x. Okay, good, good. Another option for this would be to reduce all of these in here to see if they would match my reduced result here. Okay, let's see here. Notice now all of my answers have no radicals, so this time I'm going to do the opposite and get rid of my radicals. Let's see. Okay, so that's 4th root 2x squared times 4th root 2x cubed. I'm going to get rid of those radicals there, so that would be a 1/4 power. That would be a 1/4 power. Okay, then I can distribute my powers, so I'd have 2 to the 1/4 and x 2 over 4 times 2 to the 1/4 times x to the 3 over 4 Okay, notice here that my 2's are combined and my x's are combined. So if I take a look at this one and this one, you can add the powers. Okay, so I would have my x 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4 would be 5 over 4. And here I'm not adding the bases, I'm adding my powers. Okay, so that would be 2 over 4. That's 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 2 over 4. Okay, let's double check here. I do have a 2 with a 2 over 4. Okay, so, and it says there's only an expression, which means only one. I don't have to check all the others in this one. Okay, here, something very similar. I want to go to a radical. I notice that I have here and here, I can combine those. So 1/3 and 1/3. When I multiply those, I'm going to get 1/9. Let's see, my 1/3 and my 1/3. When I multiply, I get 1 over 9. Okay, and then I have this x to the 1/4, x to the 2/3. I want to add those powers. But to add the 1/4 with the 2/3, I need a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply that one by 3 over 3 and 4 over 4. So I'm going to have my 1 over 9 x times 3 over 12 plus 8 over 12. Oops. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 over 9x 11 over 12. I don't have any like that, so I need to put my radical back. So I'm going to do that 12, but it's not going to go all the way around the 9. It's only going to go around here. So I'm still going to have my 1/9 outside. My 12th root, my x to the 11. I'm looking for an expression. Okay, no 1/9, no 1/9. I do have a 1/9, no 1/9. My C is the only one, and it is an exact match. C. Okay, here I notice that I don't have any parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to remove those by using the distributive property. Okay, I'm going to go into this category here. 5, 8 to the 1/3 times, I'm going to turn that into a power, so that'd be 8 to the 2 over 3 plus 8 to the 1/3. Nope, it'd be 8 squared, sorry. I was doing more than one step at a time. Okay. Let's see, I'll put my 2 there. Okay. When I distribute, I can add my powers. So it'd be here and here, so that'd be 8 to the 1/3 plus 2/3 is 3/3. Plus, that's going to be my 2, so it's going to be 2 plus 1/3. Uh-oh, I don't want a plus sign here. Oh, yes, I do. 8 to the 1/3 times plus 2. But I need a common denominator, so I'm going to go times 3/3. 8 to the 3/3 plus 8 to the, that'll be 6/3, so that'll be 7/3 after I finish adding. But I don't have one quite like that. I do have one with a 7/3 here and one here. These have 3/7, so I'm thinking it's not going to be those two. But I don't have a radical, and I have radicals here. So if I turn this one, it looks like I have those. I'm going to try to match that. Look at that radical there. Okay, so I'm going with this 8, so cube root of 8 cubed plus 8, 7/3. C is my final answer. Okay, select an expression. I want to turn them both into radicals, but I don't know how to combine radicals necessarily unless their index is the same. So I like changing them to powers first and then changing them back to radicals just because it's a little more familiar to me. So this will be number 6. My 5 to the 3/8 times 5 to the 3/4. I'm going to add my powers, but I need a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply that one by 2/2. That'd be 6/8. That will be 9/8 when I add. And then I see that I need a radical, so the 8 goes on the outside. And I have my 5 to the 9th power here, and that gives me 8. There's only one solution. Okay, that one is done.